spare tire carrier review. In this video, I'm going to give you my honest review for the Temu's spare tire carrier. If you're looking for a budget friendly way to store or mount a spare tire, Temu has a variety of options. Most of the spare tire carriers on the platform are universal fits, meaning they're designed to work with different vehicle models. They typically come with mounting hardware and simple instructions. In terms of build quality, they're decent for light to moderate use. If you're driving off road frequently or have a heavy duty vehicle, it might be better to go for a more premium option. But for regular everyday driving, the carriers from Temu do the job. They're also much cheaper than what you'll find at local auto shops. Just be sure to read product dimensions and carefully check whether it fits your specific tire size. Some carriers are meant for the back of SUVs, while others attach under the vehicle. Shipping can take a while, so if you need it urgently, keep that in mind. And that is my review of the Temu spare tire carrier.